I decided to get some new portal axles for my BART project, and let's do a quick unboxing. These are by MEUS Racing and 110 RC axles. Woo, good stuff. I like the packaging, and I thought, ooh, awesome. Well, I like the box anyways. Let's do a quick unboxing. Yay, fun stuff, good stuff. Okay, so these are gonna be from my BART project. My badass rock truck that I'm putting together. I was gonna use some other axles that I had, but I decided, actually after talking to different people and some comments on YouTube and everything else, I decided to go with portal axles, some new ones. And so let's get into this right away. And I like the box. Box is super nice. And these are going to be plastic, nylon plastic portal axles from my BART project. And let's see what we got here. Should just slide right off. Let's see what we got. Real quick unboxing. Everyone's seen axles before, but why not do another unboxing? Oh, look at the box. I love it when they come packaged up real nice. All right, so we'll set it off to the side. And ooh, neat. Foam stuff. Cool, check it out. So that's how it comes packaged. Yay. Hey, these were really inexpensive in my opinion. Some stickers. Who doesn't like stickers? A lot of people just buy stuff to get the stickers. Why not? All right, so cool. Let's put these off to the side, over to the side, and neat. Here we go. So that's how they look in the box when you get them. Neat. Let's just pull one out and see what we got. Dun, dun, dun. That looks like it would be the rear axle. The rear portal axle. I'd like that these are plastic, lighter. I'm trying to keep this truck light as possible. And neat, so check that out, man. Cool. All right, twists real nice, yay. And I like the look of those. Wow. See if I can get that to stand there just for a moment so you can check that out. Let's get the other one out. Let's get the front one out, man. Cool, good stuff. There it is. Neat. And then there's the front. These will allow me to have more clearance, which would be a good thing, and have more steering. Yay. Than the axles that I was going to use. I was using some old Gen 7, Red Cat Racing Gen 7 axles, which are fine, but these are better, way better. Let's set these off to the side here so you can see them while I'm getting the other goodies out of the box here. See what we got. Good deal. So we got servo stuff and, ooh, and some links. Yay. Who doesn't like links? Got some links in there as well. And that might be it. Yes. No. I believe this should be for the servo, the actual servo mount. So that's in the box as well. And yeah, set the box off to the side. No one wants to see that. So you get all your hardware. Yay. Hardware, links, servo mount, and axles. Super excited about this. I want to do a quick unboxing because I'm going to be putting together a lot of build videos for my BART project. And to start things off, I wanted to show the axles that I decided to go with. Some portal axles that are light, that I like. I like that they're light. They're plastic vinyl stuff. And these are by MEUS Racing. MEUS. M-E-U-S. MEUS. And there it is. And good stuff. And that's it. That's all I had. Just wanted to get these out of the box. Now we got to get them together. Get them attached onto the links and shocks and chassis and everything else. So it's going to be fun. Good stuff. So stay tuned. See you on the next video. Appreciate you watching. Bye now. Good stuff.